Hello, welcome. I'm Amy with Make a Memory Bear, and this is my first episode of what I'm calling Sew With Me. And it's just, I have something to sew, and I'm going to bring you along with me. So today I have a request to make a Dandy the Dachshund, which is a pattern that's available in my shop. I will put the link down below for the exact pattern that I'll be using. However, this isn't a tutorial. This is just a welcome to my craft room, here's what I'm sewing kind of day. So if you want to see the actual tutorial, I will link it above. I will link it in the description box so you can find the step-by-step tutorial that goes along with the pattern. But today I'm just going to be working in my craft room, and I thought I'd bring you along. So the only request for this Dandy the Dachshund was that it's girly. So I've got some fabric here. This is like a little yellow floral pattern. This is going to be for the body of the dog. And then this is just a really soft and fuzzy kind of pink material that I'm going to use for the ears, the tail, and the belly. So come along with me while we make Dandy. So I've made this pattern 100 times before, but it's been a while, so I've got my written instructions ready to go. I've got my pattern all cut out. So what I want to do first is just separate out my pink material pieces and my yellow floral piece. And then I'm going to get to tracing and cutting it out. Step one. Okay, last night the sun was going down and I was losing my lighting, so I quit, and now I'm back for today and ready to get started again. So here we go, and I forgot how silly easy this pattern is. I mean, it's 4 pieces and it comes together so quickly. Anyway, you're supposed to start with the ear first, but what I'm going to do is actually separate my body pieces, and I decided that I want to put a little heart like on the back end of my dachshund. So that's where I'm going to start, and then I'll pick up with the pattern. So I'll be sewing the ears together. I do one of the body fabric paired with one of the pink so that it'll be, you know, when you like flip the ear over, it'll be pink on the inside. So I'm just following along with the pattern after I put on this heart.
scared to die, forsook his wife within a lie. I think I know the reasons why, 'cause he was made of dirt. And Joseph's coat was full of pride. The blood of goats won't wash you white. If I was his brother, I'd have lied and left him in the dirt. Moses never entered in to lands he thought were promised him. He took his people round again to pick manna from the dirt. And Solomon became so wise, with many wives and concubines. He fell for every single lie. Yeah, his head was full of dirt. David's where I got my name, abusing power, abusing fame. He stole a girl, her husband slain, left 6 feet in the dirt. And Peter fell to his own shame, denied his love, denied his name. He ran away when the people came to nail him to the dirt. Samson only thought it fair to let that witch go.
I want to take just a second to show off this precious little bowl that I made when I went to visit my daughter at college for Mom's Weekend this spring. We had such a good time. We went to the Pottery Island. I made the bowl, and Ava made a beaver and a squirrel. And now my bowl is my clip holder.
Because my family members specifically said they want this dachshund to be girly, I'm going to add some eyelashes onto her right now. I think that'll make it girly for sure.
Upon his throne and kill us with the biggest stones and wrestle with a thorn unknown, a thorn up from the dirt. But if the nations had a father, then Joseph would redeem his brothers. Moses held the waters up, and David would become your love. Solomon would build the temple. Samson came to destroy evil. Peter soon became the rock, and Paul would lead the Roman flock. And it's all that I can do to keep my eyes off you. And it's all that I can do to keep me new. All that I can see is that you can't see the dirt in me. All that I can see is that you can't see the dirt in me. All that I can see is that you can't see the dirt in me. And all that I can see is you.
That's perfect. Look at her eyelashes. Her little pink ears. Her pink nose. So cute. Okay. There she is. Okay, friends, that's a wrap. My first ever Sew With Me episode where you come along while I work on a project. I'm going to be doing these every once in a while, anytime I have something that I'm working on that I think might be worthy of you watching along with me. So until then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Bye.